Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Ben Beps, and as you can see, obviously I forgot to record an intro because I had to get up so early to go on this boat tour, which you are seeing me go on now. We just rushed straight to the boat. We're almost late anyway, but yeah, we got to the boat just in time, and now I'm recording this voiceover instead. But yeah, we went to do a boat tour on this morning, and we were going to tour along the coast of the Algarve to the Benajil cave, which is a really famous cave because of the shape of it in Albufeira, just down the coast. Unfortunately though, the tour doesn't go into the cave, but we still got to see it from the outside, which is pretty cool. So I've put together a cinematic of the trip, and I'll get some vlog clips in a little bit. Hope you enjoy. So we went on that amazing boat tour this morning, head back to the hotel, had a bit of lunch and hung around. Then we've come down to the beach, down at Albufeira, down here. We went to the sunbed and we kind of just hung out on the beach for a little while. Then we went in to sea, and the waves were absolutely ridiculous. They're one of those type of waves which drag sediment off the sea and deposit it further along the coast. So every wave which came in, there'd be a big crash, and then it would have a backwash, like really hard, dragging sand and rocks over your feet, which really actually hurt after a while. But was incredibly fun just playing because ridiculously big waves, which then had ridiculously big drawback. Not really a beach person doing a vacation. I like exploring and taking videos and stuff, but for a couple of hours in the afternoon waiting for sunset, this was incredibly fun. Now we're going to head back to the hotel and sort ourselves out before heading off to a beach to shoot sunset yet again, and then after that we'll get dinner at a restaurant. So we have arrived at Praia dos Arifes, which is a beautiful, beautiful beach with these sunshades which I'm walking through right now, and incredible rock formations with clear blue sea and white, well, yellow sand. Absolutely beautiful beach, perfect to fly the drone on. I'm going to be shooting here for the evening, capturing sunset, and if this focuses properly, yeah, flying drone, capturing sunset, and enjoying our evening. Going to go for a swim, etc. Look at this. So yeah, I also forgot to record an outro it seems, so I'll do it as a voiceover again. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the photos and cinematic shots I got at this beach before going to bed in the evening. This was one of the best evenings in the Algarve. I say that every evening because every evening there was amazing. Every sunset was so beautiful to shoot, the landscapes were incredible, and obviously, as you have just seen, I got to fly my drone as well. So I was really glad that I got the photos airily as well. But yeah, that is all for this video. Remember to leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you do so, don't forget to turn on that bell so you never miss a video and you get notified when I upload. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.